Are you passionate about sports? Do you dream of turning that passion into a successful and rewarding career? Welcome to the Bachelor's in Sports Management, a flagship program by Sydenham College offered in collaboration with Ironwood Sports Management. This is where passion meets professionalism, where dreams turn into dynamic careers. As a student in this program, you get the unique opportunity to pursue your education while actively playing your favorite sport, whether it's cricket, football, kabaddi, or any of the 21 plus sports disciplines at college, intercollegiate, West Zone, and AIU levels. Our sports management program offers an unparalleled experience, combining practical knowledge with invaluable networking opportunities. Our curriculum is meticulously designed to equip with the skills and expertise needed to thrive in the dynamic world of sports business. From sponsorship to marketing, leagues to strategy, our program covers every aspect of your business of sports. But it's not just what you learn in the classroom. Our students have opportunity to work with a leading sports company, gaining real-world experience that sets them apart in the industry. Whether you aspire to manage a sports team, organize major sporting events, or shape the future of sports marketing, our program provides you with the tools and connections to turn your passion into a fulfilling career. So if you're ready to turn your passion into profession, your journey starts here. Enroll in Sports Management program today and take the final step towards a career in the business of sports.